My Adams mystery bucket came in today, and I was in record with this guy, but there's no SD card in it right now, so we'll wait. So, here's my Adams collection right now. Some back there. So, I got my scale here. We're going to take a weight and see how much this weighs, and then we'll try to figure out what all is in there. So I got the scale zeroed out. Let's see even if it takes a reading. 13 pounds. I wonder what's in there. I've seen people post on Facebook their weights. I saw anywhere from 7 pounds up to 30 pounds. So this one's kind of close in the middle. So I'm excited to see what's in here. Let's take a look. Pocket knife, cut it open. So on the sides here they had free shipping over $80. Multi-foaming cleaner. The bucket itself was $69.99, so I had to buy a couple extra things like this to get the free shipping, which is all worth it because I needed this stuff anyway. And then carpet and upholstery cleaner. So these two are just for my carpet cleaning. Okay. Receipt. Alright, let's take a look. I hate this stuff. Okay. Microfiber wash mitt. Edgeless utility 2-pack. Ooh, paint sealant. That's good stuff there. Black trim restorer. I have some of that. Wash and wax. Tire and rubber cleaner. This looks like the H2O garden gloss. Yep. And carpet and upholstery cleaner. Oh. Well, cool. And I got some nice little applicators. I'll add that to my shelf right now. So it's nice to have these, especially for the trim restore stuff. Put those there. Now I have another bucket coming in pretty soon. It's got a grit guard at the bottom. Cool. Here's a clear bucket. The next one I'm getting in is just the normal 5-gallon bucket from them. So I also have the red one there. So yeah, some pretty good stuff. I'm really excited about the paint sealant. This one should be a pretty good one.